All right, so I wanted to try to help you guys as much as possible. Something that helps me, especially if from when you want your feet to be pretty and you don't want to get your stuff done by someone, or you don't know how to do it. Now, me, I know personally how to use acrylic if I need to, or to just do my regular toenails or whatever, or press-ons. So either way, it doesn't matter. It just really just depends on how I'm feeling at that moment and at that time. But if you're one who does not know how to do your toenails, don't have the money to pay for it, whatever the case may be, I'm going to give you guys some helpful tips, okay, and what to use. Now, if you do it in the way that I say, this should last you for at least 30 days, okay? At least 30 days, if not longer. Mine usually last about 30 if I want them to, but they actually can last a lot longer. It's just that I like to switch it up if I decide that I want to, but 30 days, you should be good. Okay, so first and foremost, you definitely want to take care of your feet, your actual feet and toenails. Like, you want to make sure that that's good and first and foremost over anything. You don't want to mask anything. You don't want to cover up anything, especially if something's wrong. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that you are filing your real toenails, buffing them, lining them up, clipping them if they need to be clipped, etc., etc. You want to make sure you take care of your actual feet. I also have some helpful tips for people if you want to keep your feet soft and pretty and nice and whatever else. But that's a whole nother video. So first and foremost, you want to get you some press-on toenails. I have some example for you guys, which is these. Once you figure out what you want to put on your feet, you want to size everything up. You want to get everything laid out so that all you have to do is grab and apply. That's first. Secondly, once you get everything buffed, filed, and according to like how your feet should be looking, because this is like going to be the most important part, if not anything else. You want to make sure that everything is filed, shaped, buffed, and things like that. You want to make sure everything is even. Once that gets done, you want to use a dehydrator. This is what I use. You obviously are able to use whatever you choose. That's up to you. After you do that, you actually want to use this. I use this brand, the YN, and you want to put that over the whole nail bed. Again, this is why it's important to have everything lined up. So after you are done with that, and your toenails, like press-ons, are lined up